So this is my desktop now since I cleaned my screen up from all the modding stuff because I'm done with FormSim and I'm done with the modding. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, go watch my last video I just posted this morning or yesterday morning or whatever it was about the mod, how picky stuff is. So that made my decision right there, and yeah. So you'll notice a lot of things has been different with my with a lot of things. So basically, you'll notice I've deleted a lot of people. I've blocked. Well, I've not blocked people, but I've totally took and hid my messages. Basically, my messages. Went to my shooter channel. Went to my medieval channel. Hid all the. Or I didn't really. I just took all the videos down. And then I took and I left one video on the medieval channel. I should just go and take it off too, but whatever. I go over to Twitch, I live stream a little bit. I don't care if people watch over there. I will still maintain my website, and then I will still maintain the server for the mining if anybody pays for it. If no one pays for it, once it runs out of funding, then I'm going to shut it down. They're basically, yeah, so Farming Simulator, whoever was doing whatever, just made that. And then, so you might as well not even ask how to mod no more. Go to Lamo Mods or Black Sheep Modding to get information on that. I do believe Lamo Mods is running a course over there or whatever. He's basically doing everything I did when I first started out, and except for the courses and stuff. But anyway, that's going to be that. I don't know what to make. I have no care in the world to do anything anymore, so I'm just going to goof off. Bye.
That tango done.